Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. Today we are going to learn about how to make the password text input style in React Native. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here you can see that this is enter your password. So I have made a simple screen. So here you can see that hello word, so you can see that the how the password is going to be attached like with the dots one. Okay, so how we are going to do that, we are going to learn in this video. Let's have a look on that the code level. So first we have a react and the component from the react. Next we have the view, text input and the style sheet from the react native. Okay, here you can see that we have a class password input extends component. So here we have a state. By default the password is blank. Okay, so by default the password you can see that the blank. Then we have a text input. In the text input we have a style, we have a placeholder, we have a secure text entry. This hides the enter text. Okay, so this you need to add secure text entry to be true value, that what the state over here. So you have to log over here this dot state dot password, or when there is a on change text, so this dot set dot state that password text. So here we are setting the password whatever the text is right over here. Okay, so we were setting that state into the password over here whenever there is a on change text, right? So after that we have a styles only, that we have a container and then we have an input, and then this is a password input part. Okay, or you can make it like app, and here also we require the app section. Okay, and the same thing you can see that over here the password you can write like this. Okay, and now you can just done and it closes. Okay, so if you have such kind of functionality in your code, you can just write me down that you require this one. So this is how we can make the password text input style in our React Native application. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.